Hello! Well, today we're going to be taking a look at the Night Owl Monocular. Yeah, it's not a new model by any means. I've had this a while, but it works okay. Oh, obviously, what have we got here? Let's have a look. Top quality all glass optics, integrated infrared illuminator, compact and lightweight, padded carrying case. This model is the NOCX5. It's got 5 times image magnification, and it uses the CR123A 3-volt battery. So yeah, let's take a look at it. Okay, so it comes in this padded carrying case with a wrist strap zipped up. Take it out. The Night Owl Optics Night Vision. It's got an infrared LED switch to turn on that, and the power switch. It's got the handle for support. It's got an adjustable eyepiece if you've got bad eyes like me. It has a focusing ring on the front. It's not a zoom, it's just for focus. I think the zoom is set at 5 times. And the lens cap, it actually says here, warning, remove lens cap in light will damage the unit. But it does have a pinhole in it. If you can just see there is a pinhole in the lens cap. So we'll be able to take a look through it in the daytime. That's the infrared light there. That's the battery compartment. The battery sits in there. It's just, yeah, press it and turn. Yeah, let's see if I can show you what it looks like through the viewfinder in the daytime. Like I say, we'll keep the lens cap on. We don't want to damage anything. Okay, I'm not sure how this is going to turn out. But this is with the lens cap. This is daylight now. This is with the lens cap on. It's just viewing through that pinhole. I don't know what the focus is like. I can't really. Oh, coming a bit off there. But that's the sort of image you get from it. Like I say, I can't tell whether it's in focus there or not. But you could adjust the eyepiece if it wasn't. Okay, I'm still in the house here, but I'm at the bottom of the stairs and all the doors are shut, and as you can see we are in complete darkness. Now before I turn the infrared light on, can't see a lot, but as soon as I turn the infrared light on, you can see how bright it becomes. Again, I'm not sure how focused I am in on this, but it's not the best test. So we'll wait till it gets dark and we'll take a look outside. Hopefully that's focusing okay. The one thing I have found with it was it's more focused in the centre and it sort of fades off around the edge, but yeah, I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, doesn't it? I mean, I probably could focus that better, but I mean, my hands are full right now. Ooh. Trying to film this, but I mean, if I show you, it's not really picking anything up, but it is dark out there. Just a bit of a light coming from the kitchen window downstairs, but yeah, I mean, this is only a Gen 1, I think they are. I mean, it's old. I think they were, yeah, they've got to be 10 years old, these have now. But, you know, sort of does the job, doesn't it? I mean, if you want a cheap night vision monocular, you can pick these up pretty cheap now, because you know, in 10 years there's a lot better models out, but so you can still get your hands on these at a good price. Oh yeah, that's the Night Owl Monocular. Quick look at the specs on here. What have we got? It's the NOCX5, that one. It's got a 5 times magnification, range of view 650 feet, weight 1.5 pounds, 680 grams. Focal length, that's 80mm on this model. Aperture is 1 to 1.7. Field of view at 1000 meters. It's 524 foot, 160 meters. Focusing range 10 foot to infinity. So there we have it. That's the NOCX5 from Night Owl Optics. As I mentioned, it's quite an old device. It's around 10 years old, I think, but yeah, you can pick them up now for, well, next to nothing really. And as you see, they do the job. Newer ones do it a lot better, but they're a lot dearer too. So if you can find one of these, it's worthwhile picking up. I would recommend it. You just don't see many for sale now though, that's the thing. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.